Hey guys, it's Joe from Average Joe Lock Sport. We're going to be looking at a Master Lock Magnum M530XK-ADLH. And if you look at it, you got better cut resistant, better water resistant, solid steel strength. Number one choice for professionals. And on the back, original tough cut shackle, solid steel body, ball bearings. So, let's see what we got here. Again, it's Master Lock Magnum, tough under fire. And they got this rated a number 7. Again, the M530 XKA-DLH. So, here it is here. Got it locked up. Let's see if we can get her picked. Right. See if we can get her picked. On the lock itself, all we got is Master on the one side. On the bottom, we got M530 CD. And on the shackle, we got Boron Carbide. And then we got the little rubber piece around here to keep it from banging and clanging on whatever it's locked up on. So let's see if we can get her picked open. Using bottom of the keyway tensioner. Using my snake rake. And let's see what we got. Alright. Try her again. And there we go. There is our M530 CD. And what I did, just because I wanted to, okay, there's the Master Lock 530 picked with bottom of the keyway and my snake rake. But what I did is I had an exact lock, same one that I didn't have a key for. So what I did, I broke it all down. So here's all the parts for it. Here's the shackle. Here's the body of the lock. Here is the core. Looks like a 4-pin core. Here's the bottom piece and the screw and the inside holder that actually holds the core in place. Here are the 2 ball bearings, so it can't be shimmed. Here's the spring and the clip that holds everything in place. Let's move that over here so we can see it. So there's the spring. There's the spring clip that holds it in place. Here's the 2 ball bearings. Here's the actuator. And again, here's the clip that holds it in place. And here's the core. Again, same identical lock. It actually goes like that. These 4 pieces here go all the way towards the bottom. The actuator and the spring, so it pops up the shackle when it's unlocked. And here is our little 4-pin core. I didn't break the core down because there's no clip on the back of it. It's actually pinched, and I didn't want to get into fighting it and losing all my pins. But it is definitely broke down all the way. As you can see, there is the lock. You can see the inside totally empty. Again, the shackle piece, the core, the 2 ball bearings, the clip, and the pieces that actually hold the core in place. And here's the spring, the other part of the spring that holds these parts. I think these are the actuators. So there is every piece of the lock. Let's put it over here where we can get a better look at it. Here is every piece of the lock. Totally broke down. Right on down to the empty body. So if you were actually to count the pieces, how many pieces it takes to put this thing together, again, it's the same identical lock. It's right here. The 530 XKA DLH, rated a 7 as far as pick resistance. Here is the lock not taken apart, and right down here is the full lock broke down to every individual piece. So that's what the inside of the M530 looks like. Here's what it looks like broke down. And here's what it looks like all put together. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video, show you every individual piece that goes in this. So including the body, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's actually 12 pieces to this M530. And what we used to pick it open was bottom of the keyway and my good old snake rake. Well, that's it for the 530. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching the video with me. If you like what you see and you want to see more of it, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Other than that, we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.